Okay, so last we have done, if we are creating any record in a single module or form, so if we want to create same record in the other module, so we can create from the create record action. Now we move for other action. Create connected record. It is related to the related record. Let's check. So same insurance part we can try. So connected record, let's take accounts, we can take. Standard. Owner, we selected login. Account name, let's select test. We can add more field also. Rating we can select. Wow. Let's save it. Let's test. To connected record this. So if I am just editing any record, so by default, the connected record is going to be created. Let's check this. This is on quotation. Workflow, we have right create on edit. Okay, account name is not empty. Let's check. Account name. Okay, it's empty. This is updated. Other function. The same workflow is called now. So the record is created. This record, connected record is created. Test assign is done. So let's refresh and check that connected record is there or not. Okay, so this connected record is created successfully. We can see here. Okay, we can see this record in the account module. So this is the connected record. In this test, we have created rating. We mentioned warm and connected to the quotation. So it's kind of link that is created. Is there any doubt to connected record by creation of connected record? So this why we are creating. If against this condition, if I just want anything, or I just want to link something, or just map or highlight with this condition. So we can write it any connected record, like particular record is connected to this condition. So in that case, we can create this action. Other part, we have webhook. Same kind of webhook we call from the here. So we are, whenever we are creating any webhook, so we need to write a condition, any condition. If we want to trigger the webhook, then we can create. So that webhook part, how we are creating, that we have done. But for confirmation, whenever we are just working on the Postman part, I'll show you how it is going or not. Okay. Now other, the function execute circle action by worker. So this is the Zoho workflow. For this, we need a credit points, or this is kind of Zoho flow, but that is not created inside the Zoho flow. Inbuilt inside the Zoho CRM, we have the Zoho flow. Like suppose if I just want, so we will cover both upper also. So like I just want to update some record in the creator, or we have open desk. Let's connect with text. The same way we can create contact. So whenever we trigger this contact is going to be created in the desk also. Connection name we need to create. I want to create contact. Already selected. So now connected and just authorize. So now there is asking for which uh, so we have sandbox in the desk. So right now let's connect with live environment. This permission is granted. This activity we can perform. Now we link with the map with the fields both sides. So this is our CRM values, and here we can see the dex values. First name, let's select with the quotation we are just working. Client name, first name, and just randomly map the values. Other is not mandatory. So we just skip. So now this is associated. Let's test this. Let me edit one record. Account name is there. Test ICA. The flow action is triggered. Let's check in the desk. Customer we have created, I think. Customer we have created, correct?
Mm. Hold.
Okay, let's check what is the name. Client name, I'll mention the client name. I forgot what name I'll give. If we want to recheck this, we need to go in the workflow, sorry, action. Inside the action, this we have action by Zoho Flow. So we created this test record. Let's add it. So quotation. Let's add the field. I don't know. Okay, I'm not sure it is working in the demo or not. That also one case. I think this one is the user one. And we are checking on the another one. Check for this. Okay. Nothing is there. This is connected record. This is insurance record. Field update. Zoho Flow test. Okay, what field we have just now? Portal. Email we have put it. Modify by. Let's check with modify by. I think user one. This is the user one at the rate temp. is there. Ticket. Mm, I think I think it is not working in the demo part because it is hitting from this side, but it is not created in the disk. Maybe so. In that action, we can create the connection, multiple connection. We have the credit limits. So unused credit for this month is like 99. Overall, it's 100. We consume one because we created one. So like this way, we can create this. This is the new feature. Like recently, it's coming. So now let's move for next one. Okay, so execute circuit. So basically, that is we can create here, and in the setting also we have if we already. So we can select the same one and configure this. So let's try with create new one. Name is test. So whatever functionality we need, we can create or mention here. So it is kind of blueprint. So we in the Zoho flow, we just mentioned the when the record is coming, how it is creating. So like this way, we are just going to be create. So let's test. So this is for flow control, where we control the flow, we are pass the data, and if we want branches, the weight, success, failure, something. So we can trigger this flow. Next, we have some CRM part where we can write a function, call a record, and mention the in a branching we can pass the variable, organization variable, or other variable we can create and pass. User field, basically the user record, we have this if we assign to particular user. Now this is the flow. Like flow, it is like how it is working and how we are just going to be build it. Like first step, second step, and how it is going to be add. Next, every selection we have this functionality. We can uh, name it or on stage or basically rename part. So this is the input or output, which type of value you want getting as an input and what kind of value you pass as output. As a result, you can see here. So this is a code view. Like this way, we have the code we are just doing here. So we have code view or builder view. So if we builder as a drag and drop, we can build. So code view is automatically shown. So in the Python, I think you can see this like this way they are just working. Like start, true, pass, and end. So this right now we just take a simple example and we just associated with this, and whenever we are just studying circuit, so then in detail we can just go through. So because there is a lot of thing we need to be E-value we can pass. Right now we don't have any value and we are not create any variable. Just a minute. Pawan, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, okay.
So now we have created this. We just configure and now it is hitting as per the condition we are just mentioned here. Okay. So function part we will start from tomorrow. So for this till now it's fine. Is there any doubt, Pawan?
Yeah, no, actually, I've tried what you said yesterday. Yeah, but today's I will try this what you said today.
Okay, that's fine. I think for today it is fine. I have some work, so we can connect tomorrow. For today, I think we are okay to go.
Yeah, I only small doubt in the webhook. That's all. Webhook.
Webhook part, okay. Today I'll at night I'll just look into that part, and I think tomorrow we can